This is a Mexican tradition, Catholic tradition that they do for Santo Niño de Cuamio. Takes place because they are thankful for the rain that they get for the season for their crops, and they walk the Santo Niño from one pueblo to the next, and they've been walking since 6:30 in the morning today, and it is already 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We joined them around 12. We've been walking for quite a bit, but it's a very nice Catholic tradition here in Michoacan, Mexico.